Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Pictory promo codes. So to start, you can click the link on the description to get the full benefits. And once you done that, you're on Pictory here. If you want to use a promo code, you can go to the upper right section here. And then you want to go to My Subscriptions. And on this part here, you'll see that there's a couple of subscriptions Pictory offers, like Professional, Starter, Teams, and also Enterprise. But if you wanted to Enterprise, you'll have to contact sales, right? So there's a couple of plans here that the promo code will apply to. Like if you want to do starter for $19 per month, you can do multilingual standard AI voices, unlimited access to 2 million plus royalty-free videos from Storyblogs, and there's a couple of basic AI features as well. If you want to do professional, there's advanced AI features you get, like automatic synchronization of uploaded voiceovers and video summarization of long videos, and you can unlimited access to 10 million plus royalty-free premium videos from Getty Images. And the last one is Teams, which is a lot, about $99 per month. And if you want to increase the how many minutes per video you want to upload per month, the price will increase with it as well. So if you want to do 48,000 videos per month, 48,000 video minutes per month, and you want to go with the most expensive one, which is Teams, it'll be $249 per month.